Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today I want to share the tutorials how to cut or how to delete the unwanted clip on the CapCut by iPhone or iOS. So I already have the video on my project. Let's have a check first. But there is a segment that I want to have in this video, which is this side. So I don't want to have this yellow color on this video, so I want to cut it out so my video only have a green color, green views on it. So the things that we're gonna do is just drag it until in a specific second that we want to stop the video. I want to stop my video here, and now just before you want to split it, just make sure this sections in an active mode like this. Click this segment, and then now in the down options below there is several features that we can use. One of them is split. Now just click split, and now your project is split into two segments or two clips. The first clip is the long clip over here, and then the second one is the short clip that I want to remove. So if you want to remove this, now just make sure like this straight sign on the clip that you want to delete, and now you just need to click edit over here, and then the clip will be automatically in an active mode. And after the clip is in active mode, there are several features we can use, and one is delete over here. You just need to click delete to remove the clip, and now the unwanted clip is already deleted or is already removed from your project. So that's all for today's tutorials. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.